If you're seeing the Monday.com error fetching items message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to your boards fast. We'll start with the easiest solution first, then move into a few common browser and access checks that solve this issue for most people. And if this guide helps, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a simple reload is enough to reconnect Monday.com and fetch your boards correctly. If the issue clears right away, great, you're done. But if the error is still there, move on to the next step. Next, check your internet speed. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run a quick test to make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow, unstable, or dropping in and out, Monday.com may have trouble loading your items and boards properly. If possible, switch networks, restart your router, or wait until your connection is more stable and try again. Now let's clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes for loading errors like this. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. A browser cleanup window should open. Select Cache and Cookies, then click Clear. After that, restart your browser completely and try Monday.com again. Old cache data can sometimes conflict with the current session and trigger this type of error, so refreshing that data often solves the problem. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Open your browser menu, usually the three dots in the corner, then go to Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. Turn off any ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or other extensions that might interfere with Monday.com. Some extensions can block API requests or page scripts, which prevents boards from loading correctly. After disabling them, refresh Monday.com and test again. If it works, you can re-enable your extensions one by one later to find the one causing the problem. Finally, check board access and permissions inside Monday.com. Go to Monday.com and open the affected board. Click Share and make sure the user or API account has the correct permission to view or edit that board. If the account doesn't have access, Monday.com may fail to fetch the items because it cannot properly read the board data. If you're using an automation, integration, or API connection, confirm that the connected account still has permission and hasn't been removed or restricted. Once you've gone through these steps, most Monday.com error fetching items issues should be resolved. Start with refresh, then test your internet, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, and finally verify board access. That sequence will solve the majority of cases without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video, subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials and troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another app error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.